Welcome back. Now, today we'll be doing question number 4 on WAEC Mathematics 2025. Now, the question says, consider the statement P, the land is fertile. Q, the farmer harvests big cassava tubers. R, the sun is harsh. Now, the question is, which of these represent the statement if the land is fertile and the sun is not harsh, then the farmer harvests big cassava tubers? How do we do this? Now let's look at this. The first statement says if the land is fertile, that is P, okay, and the sun is not harsh, this is negation. The sun is harsh is R. Then the negation is going to be what? It's going to be this. So we have and, which is the conjunction. Then what? What happened? We have the harvest of big cassava. That is the farmer harvests big cassava. Then we have Q. And if you look at the options here, you can see that it is only option D that satisfies this requirement. Here we have the land is fertile and the sun is not harsh. This is negation. Then we have what? The farmer harvests big cassava tubers. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Question number 5 is going to be in the next video. Thank you.